Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzal Dar, and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Wednesday, 15th June 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT price is 215.72 and with VAT is 226.51. For 22 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 198.23 and with VAT is 207.93. For 21 carats gold, 1 gram price is 188.76 without VAT and with VAT is 198.20. Without VAT price for 18 carats gold is 161.79 and with VAT is 169.88. For 14 carats gold, 1 gram price is 126.20 and with VAT is 132.51. For 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 89.96 and with VAT is 94.46. Last but not the least, the 6 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 53.93 and with VAT is 56.63, keeping in mind that the VAT rate in the UAE is 5%. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.